video, we will discuss the default note settings for requests and quotes purposes. The default note settings are located in the Admin panel, General Settings section, Sales Module Settings. The default notes is the first section of this tab and allows inserting the default legal note and the default cancellation policy note. Once the default legal note and the default cancellation policy notes are inserted into those boxes and saved, when creating a new quote, they will appear in the Quote Edit section, Notes tab, in the legal note and cancellation policy note fields respectively.